Alright, am I dreaming right now? I think I'm honestly dreaming because yesterday I got invited to the Star Wars Rise of Skywalker premiere. And as you guys can see, I am currently at San Sebastian. I woke up today at 5 a.m. The premiere is at 10, but there's actually going to be stuff happening at 6. It is currently 1:30. Look at this. Wake me up. I feel like I'm literally flying in the sky. I'm dreaming. Alright, so they told us we should go and pick the passes up at 7, so we're gonna have to wait. Guys, check this out. Yellow AirPods. We've also got a brand new Apple Watch. What else do we have here? We've got cases. Look at all these AirPods cases. We've got Supreme, Adidas. Nice.
Got the air power.
Air power isn't dead. Hey, that's actually pretty funny. We're eating. That's a lot of ducks. Look at this guy. Follow him on Instagram, everybody. It's that guy. Guys, he's gonna throw money. Look, ready? He's gonna give some cash. 1, 2. He made it. All right, guys, we're at FNAC. This is kind of like the Spanish equivalent to Best Buy. Let's see if there's any Star Wars stuff in here, because there's always good Star Wars stuff, right? Guys, it is currently December 18th. Isn't it crazy that next week it's Christmas? Like, what the heck? Like, it's next week. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Do you want an Apple Watch?
Pretty hot one.
Nice. What watch face? Mickey. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Guys, check this out. This, what is this for?
Trouble.
He tattooed himself an apple, not an Apple logo, but an apple, because he likes Apple a lot. What do you guys think of that? Let me know in the comments. Guys, this is the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, and I've seen it all over the place, and it actually feels super nice. Of course, it's not a Mac, but this still looks amazing. I mean, I think it'd be interesting for Apple to like mess around with like this type of texture. Maybe like an iPad keyboard. It looks cool. This is the Dyson hairdryer. It's 400 bucks. 400. I mean, it's a beautiful design. I like this design. It's super aesthetic, but 400 bucks? Jeez. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, well, first of all, check this out, guys. Got the Tony Stark Iron Man Infinity Gauntlet. I actually have this in my room. This is pretty cool. This is 118. It's Luke Skywalker's helmet. Anyways, Victor, if you're watching this, do you miss this? We've got Iron Man, Toy Story 4, Captain Marvel. Oh, this is a cool one. Look at this, Ursula. It's huge. This is the love of my life, once again. We've got Mufasa. We've got Ed Sheeran. I kind of like to collect these, but then, you know, if I buy one and then I already have it, it's kind of pointless, you know. That always happens to me, because I always have bad luck with Mystery Mini. Elsa. This is kind of creepy, though. This is super creepy. Here are the Star Wars Rise of Skywalker pops. We've got Poe, we've got Lando, we've got the new Jet Troopers. I seriously can't wait for the movie, guys. Like, my hype is like, hello? Am I here? There we go. My hype is here, and I'm here. Like, my mind is about to explode. We've also got Supreme Leader Kylo Ren's ship. Should we buy this and just go to the Rise of Skywalker premiere with this? Do you think Disney would be mad? Cool. Let me know in the comments if you guys are watching The Mandalorian, by the way. I am, and it's amazing.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I don't really know what to do. I think I'm gonna wear, because I like this shirt, first of all. I actually did this. I actually printed it myself. May the force be with you. It's got the new Colonel logo, which, by the way, I'm gonna tell you guys about Colonel in just a second, because we've just dropped an amazing update. But I think I'm gonna wear a turtleneck. I mean, everybody's gonna be pretty classy. Maybe not. I don't really know, but I kind of want to wear this. And it's kind of cold, and I don't want to wear a jacket. So if I kind of wear this with the blazer, you know what? I'm wearing this. I'm gonna get a shower, and we're heading in. It's currently, what freaking time is it? I'm so excited. It's currently 6:13. Do you guys like my wallpaper? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. All right. How do I look? I look good? Good? Okay. I think we can officially go. I'm dreaming. This is where we actually pick up our tickets. Let's fucking do this. By the way, the tickets are literally so beautiful. They're literally like the actual movies. I'm just excited. ¿Hay las dos aquí?
No, pues.
Guys, we did them. Let's go ahead and unbox the actual Star Wars Rise of Skywalker tickets. These are it. We've got two. We've got one for you and one for... This is beautiful. I'm gonna hang this in my wall forever.
Mira aquí, ¿qué te emociona de esto? ¿Tú que eres seguidor?
Bueno, es una saga que dura más de 40 años, no sé, y que se concluye hoy. Es emocionante para los fans.
¿Qué esperas de esta película?
Pues que se acabe bien, que acabe los 40 años en un final que los fans estén contentos. Say hello! Tell them to subscribe! Tell everybody to subscribe! You listen to them! Chewie! Kylo, you want to tell? Nope. He doesn't want to tell you guys to subscribe. Chewie did. Kylo didn't. Question for you. Should they subscribe? Oh! Alright guys, so I wanted to give you a little bit my thoughts of the film before actually going in. Like, what am I expecting? What am I expecting? I'm kind of expecting an epic conclusion to the 40-year saga. Like, I'm just so excited I'm not excited for it to end, but I'm also kind of excited for it to end because I feel like 9 movies, I think it's more than enough for like a Skywalker saga. So I'm super excited about that. Rey's parents, I want to see the Emperor. How is he coming back? Like, there's so many questions that we have. The Last Jedi gave us like a lot of questions without answers and a lot of things that I don't really like, but I'm hoping that it's gonna make sense. This film is gonna make those problems make sense. Also, this video is sponsored by Colonel. I'm a little bit biased with this app because I made this app. It's currently the best app in the entire world to track upcoming film release dates. We just released Colonel 2.0. It's the biggest update we've ever had, and I've made an ad. I spent a lot of time making this ad. I hope you enjoy. Like movies, Star Wars, Marvel, Disney, Pixar, whatever, hit the link down in the description. Go download Colonel, and if you already have Colonel, update Colonel because Colonel 2.0 is here. The beautiful redesign is awesome. Cast. I'm gonna tell Chewie. Come. Let's do this. Let's ask Chewie if you guys should download Colonel. One question. I guess the Stormtrooper doesn't want to talk to me either. Should they update to Colonel 2.0? I take that as a yes. You guys heard it here. Go download Colonel. Go update to Colonel 2.0. It's the biggest update ever. Go do it. Alright guys, we're heading in. I think now there's a photo shoot that I think I'm going to be able to take photos, maybe not. We'll see. Let's go in. Guys, I'm currently inside. Look how cool this is. We've got the Star Wars here. We've got a photo car over here. Then we've got the Millennium Falcon. You guys can actually take a photo. It's madness in here. It's so awesome. I'm so happy. Alright, so they just gave us bags. Now we're putting our phones inside our bags because you're not allowed to record, of course, but it's super secure. So yeah, I mean, we're heading in. So I'm going to see the film now, so I'll see you later. I can't believe it. Vero. I mean,
Verónica, pero no hablo inglés. Sorry.
If you guys are Spanish, I'm sure you guys know her. If not, go subscribe. ¿Preparada para la peli o no?
Estoy emocionada, demasiado emocionada. No puedo con mi vida.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I just got out on watching the film. I'm honestly like shook. Of course, I don't want to go too in deep. I'm actually going to write my review on Colonel, so I'll make sure to link my review down below. But it's so much to process and like so much stuff happened, and overall I'm really happy with the film. My expectations were really high. They were kind of met. I also read a lot of bad reviews. I don't think this movie deserves the hate that it got. But I don't think it's, you know, the best Star Wars film, but I'm super satisfied overall with the film, and I'm super happy. Alright guys, my SD card is literally full. I'm literally recording my outro on the iPhone. That's it for this video. It's been an amazing experience. Thank you Disney Spain for inviting me. There's no more people. I'm gonna write my review now on Colonel. Once again, links in the description. Thanks for watching.